You might have heard this. If you're yawning, it means you're sleepy. Time to go to bed. Sounds familiar, right? Well, not exactly. Science says yawning is not simply about sleepiness. In fact, we often yawn even when fully awake. So why do we yawn? Yawning actually helps cool your brain, like a natural air conditioner. When the brain gets slightly warm or tired, yawning brings cool air, helps regulate brain temperature, and keeps you alert. So no, yawning doesn't mean you're ready for sleep. It simply means, hey brain, let's cool down and stay sharp. Stay tuned for another fun fact in the next video.